Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and download your new default app. In my case, Opera Mini Browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and select Home button. Then you can go into Settings. Come on, scroll down and tap on Apps. Over here, click on Choose Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I will go with Browser app, click on Opera Mini and simply go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!